I'm sure you have plants at home that are being attacked by fungi, and maybe you've tried all kinds of products and watched videos on every social media platform, but you still haven't managed to get rid of them. If you really want to get rid of fungi once and for all, today I've got something for you. A truly definitive fungicide that, by the way, not only gets rid of fungi completely, but if you keep applying it, it also works as a preventative, so that way they never come back. If you really want your plants to be healthier than ever before, this is the fungicide you need to use. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Plus, this fungicide is made with 3 ingredients that I'm sure you already have at home. They're easy to find, accessible, and very affordable. Even though each of these ingredients is an effective fungicide on its own, combining all 3 makes it much more powerful. There's also one ingredient that, besides being a fungicide, has insecticidal properties. So if you have insects, you'll either get rid of them or keep them away. Is it eco-friendly, compatible with organic farming? And best of all, it's homemade and free. The first ingredient we're going to use is garlic. We all know it and have it at home. Garlic not only has antifungal properties, but it's also an excellent insect repellent. Using it will not only help us get rid of fungi, but it'll also keep unwanted insects away from our plants. Garlic contains a compound called allicin that is activated in the body. When we cut garlic, the allicin contains sulfur, which is one of the main ingredients most commonly used to eliminate fungus. So with this simple ingredient, we're already creating a natural fungicide. What we're going to do now is cut the garlic into small pieces. It's not necessary to peel it completely, but we can use the whole thing. In this case, we're going to use approximately 75 to 150 grams of garlic for 1 liter of water, which is about 1 large head or 2 medium ones. Now, right in a container, we're going to add the liter of water. This water should be chlorine-free, so if it's tap water, you should let it sit for 24 hours before using it so the chlorine can evaporate. If it's rainwater or spring water, that's even better, but if not, just letting it sit for 24 hours is enough. Add the chopped garlic and stir well so it mixes properly. After this, cover it and let it sit. Let it rest. Let the mixture sit for about 24 hours. By the way, some people have been asking me if this mixture needs to be boiled. You should never boil the mixture, because if you do boil it, you'll lose the allicin, folks. So just by following the steps I'm showing you, we'll have the best, purest, and most powerful fungicide you'll find on the internet. After 24 hours, we're going to add the second ingredient, cinnamon. We know that cinnamon also has antifungal properties, so by adding it to our mixture, we're boosting the effect of our fungicide. The amount of cinnamon we're going to add is 1 heaping tablespoon filled to the top. Once it's added, we're going to stir it really well, and then we'll strain the entire mixture so that all the lumps and garlic bits are left out. That way, we'll have a solution. That's perfect. Now, the next step would be to add the third ingredient. Yeah, that's right, milk. It's a very powerful natural fungicide. In fact, there's scientific studies that have shown that milk in different concentrations is just as effective as many commercial fungicides. We're going to add between 100 and 200 milliliters of milk to our mixture. Once everything is added, pour in another liter of chlorine-free water. Remember that. It's important, just like in the previous steps, so that everything is well diluted. Now we have our homemade fungicide ready. What you need to keep in mind is that you can't leave it unused for too long. Ideally, you should use it within a week or 2 at most, and if you have any left over, store it in the fridge to keep it fresh. Remember, it's best to apply it at dawn or dusk, when the sun isn't too strong, to avoid burning the plants. Also, it's important to check the weather forecast before applying the fungicide, because if rain is expected, it's better to wait until the bad weather passes. That way, you'll get the full effectiveness of the natural fungicide. And that's it. Now you know how to make it and how to use it. I hope this helps and that your plants always stay in perfect shape.